So as usual, we have to take it off from back to front, not front to back, please. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today we've got another install video from Lavivid. This is the Travis. This is really up there on my favourites list of systems. I think it is really, really nice. So it is a rooted system, so like an ombre system. This is what the bottom looks like, the underneath, sorry. And this has been cut to my base shape. They have my template on file. So first things first, we have to take the old system off. So as usual, we have to take it off from back to front, not front to back, please. And it is just the safest way to get it off. Then once we've cleaned our scalp, we need to mark out where we want our hairline to go. And I do this as usual by raising my eyebrows and using a white eyeliner pencil. And then of course you've got to use scalp protector. I'm using the Walker tape scalp protector, but I'm using the dabber style this time. See how I get on with it instead of the spray. And this is what the Travis looks like upside down. It is a full lace system, but I believe this is also available in a skin base, as well as of course you could have it custom made to whatever you fancy. And this is how I tape up my system. Lots of tape at the front, and then I put an extra anchor bit of tape in the middle this time, further down the system, just to give it a real good support. As usual, I will line up that front hairline to my hairline that I marked out earlier with white pencil. And this is quite a process to get it in the correct position. But once you get used to it and practice, I promise you, it becomes second nature. So yeah, just stick it out. Once I've got the front hairline in the correct position, I like to also make sure that the sides are correctly lined up. The last thing you want to do is have your system on wonky. It's really not a good look. Then of course I bring the system to the front and I remove all of the backing of the tapes so that I can lay down the back. Then once the back is down, then we would glue that front hairline. It is the only part of my system that I glue down. And then when that's all done, this is what it looks like when it's cut in. This looks amazing. Like, I actually thought it would have too much of a difference between the blonde and the brown, but it actually blends in really well. It looks like highlights. Absolutely love it. I'm so pleased with it. And this is what it's like in the sunshine. Thank you so much, Lavivid, and thank you for watching.